this unity between you and MCAs. I want you to identify and tell us what is happening in the next video 1D. Kindly, may we play video 1D?
MCA go karibisha ntora ya Bogeta East na mbuge wotwe on behalf ya ntoba Bogeta East na Abogeta West na wenzangu bare haja tucokerie nkatho no ntubwe kinya rire okinya oni mbigirwe ntoba kwethira nteja no ntorire okinya gatia kana kara kamumero kuringithia gagatia ipati yakwa na impugwa kweli imbati kweja kuona no ntone pati ya maendeleo ndene ntura yetu. So ngabana we are so humble to were it sana baatu tole MCA tole MPIDU na ikio to myo kuona na arwa totena manto mainge na arwa intukwe gokorea kana kamumero na mami umenye baatu tole MPIDU
na ndenda ugire ngabana tukamukaria na inya na ora kumbikika kendo mbako boli trangugi no ndo twamwagia thayo tukona inya ya twamwagitie thayo ateja gaguku na nande mbigirwe toriro tukaria siasa ne nuje temboka ne remo muntu ondu okwoja maratasi nande kurandu ba kamatete ibere taubirana na ala mawa na ito abatomera Nairobi gutagera imbie to michukari era itirie batagera imbie to myogoti bokuongerwa gutokwarĩrio ogoti ingabana bakweja ubira mbesa ikwekiwa senate counties ciongerwa mbesa ibaregere kuongera ndi baliuga ibejeta kwa basa ule basa iti mbesa ireko
ututu nyina ku Madam Governor na okageta muntu ututu ogira tore no ngato ngora we ni ntobye Meru ara tomba kogera twabwitira nguge iyo tomba kuchenja as long as Kawira Mwangaza we ni ntobye Meru oni ndakira mbuye matu waambirani isa sawa na
we can post there. We have seen the first speaker, no, actually the second, the one in the black jacket. Are you able to identify him?
Is the mover of the first motion of impeachment, DMK Kyogora.
He is heard making certain remarks about Kuberi and forces from Nairobi. What is he talking about?
He is referring to the Meru MPs and also the senator that they should keep off Meru because they have their own leader, maybe referring to the end of state, and then the MCs have their own leader. And he says last weekend they were in a certain town named Maua, where they earned the Kuberi, the starring stake or spoon, meaning the governor, and they are saying that they will not be part and a parcel of what the members of parliament are doing.
Thank you. So the honorable member for County Assembly, Abogeta West, talks about a force that is being advanced using the Kuberi tool. That is what he's saying?
Yes.
And he's telling them to keep off?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us move to video KMV 14. KMV 14, kindly.
Nabakaya batuana nabadiri manto yo difference sisi omba ko dirio bature MCA bembe tute tayari utonye ratio so ende atukuromba tu kurungu arembere gavana na deputy governor bomba kwito bajo hata naira nigenda tukomba kutukinda weta ture anto amwe ture anto bembe na ture MCA na tongeri bonde brantu badurite nande ne imani manto yo onde akombekana lakini tute kuenda zaitu akulupia budget siasa ikanjiria nigenda mwembe akomba kwito aita ya maendeleo so baba goya na manto akeberi Kuberi mwana Kuberi na soka agreement mwana Kuberi na soka tiania manto yembe na rekana yaro e ambe tu kongangare ko karia mama non to MPs beto odompu wayo ke gongwa ko mama ende muntu aru mogeni ajo to janganya agili otobo ki agili ate to ore mama we are not ready ende ro ko lo bubutu go na Kuberi keu aya te gati ana Kuberi nye kira to ate ana jo o kiran koromba neo iba imenyere lakini ukiakweli maendeleo wale tati wale maendeleo ende manto akeberi na ina keberi toto ogenda ne mbere yetu embe twatandirite embe ronde kumantonyire Mwangaza to egento kemwe noro kaingilia atasiarwa
antu bonde bara bakwenda kurwa bareje egembe baberanga mwegembe akugitwa mwegembe akudithwa lakini utinya mwegembe umwe kuma arateta nontore mwegembe wangu none tote makosa Kawira Mwangaza nayo antu bara bakuja guteta bakira egembe re kuinyirwa ibakuma inventi bange bakumatigania ibo bathiorokete SH0CKING bathioroka SH0CKING bathioroka SH0CKING you chonde nunto egembe wena regete nunto naije.
Thank you. We can post that video there. Governor confirmed that was on 27th of August this year.
Yes, 27th of August.
This year.
Yes.
Are you able to tell who the people speaking in that video are?
Those are all MCS from Egembe, apart from one who comes from Central Imenti. The rest are Egembe MCS.
They are making a specific grievance about siasa za Kuberi. What
Yes.
are they talking about?
They are talking about the members of parliament who had just begun a movement by the name Kuberi, coming all the way from Nairobi to Meru, and they are warning them that they have been given work to do in Nairobi. They should continue with their work there and leave them alone because they have only one mama who can assist them to do development.
Thank you. So this was 27th of August 2023. Honorable Governor, if then someone comes here and says that you only were able to work with MCAs for a few weeks, are they lying or they're telling the truth?
That is pure lie.
Thank you. We want to understand this Kuberi movement, siasa za Kuberi movement. And I want you to listen carefully to video 3A and see where or the source, the genesis of the Kuberi movement. 3A. Are you able to even explain what he's saying?
He's talking about that. They will use that thing to. I'm not able to explain. Because it has been done by so many men, and now they are ready as members of parliament, him being the leader, to do that to me. And he has recruited so many young men for the purpose of that Kuberi movement, together with the deputy speaker of this house.
Can we watch KMV 12?
asiosiwa anafaa kuongezwa akapata kwa tumbo na simiti na mawe ndio asisikie njaa tena. Wangapi wanasema Kawira aende? Kawira mbae, lakini tunataka kiti ya mtuma apewe. Kiti yake, ndipute yake, magari rudishwe, security apewe, kila kitu apewe, na kiti ya finance, kiti ya pesa apewe. Kwa ndondela ya Kuberi. Ndio kuna mkomeno wa ramera arome ando Kawira. Kwa hivyo sisi tunaunga mkono hilo mjadala umeletwa na Mheshimiwa Mporo, na asante kwa kunialika. Tuendelee namna hiyo. Kazi yetu ni kushikanisha kila mtu. Asanteni sana ndugu zangu. Thank you very much.
Madam Governor, I hope you are able to explain again, or perhaps the message has sunk, what these honorable members are telling members of the public.
The honorable members of Parliament and the Deputy Speaker of this honorable House is telling the public that I defeated the men, and in this case, they are going to use that steering stake and they recruited so many young men for that purpose, and they have been holding rallies almost in all towns in Meru, doing the same over the weekends. Honorable Speaker, I want to say this is purely politics. Purely politics.
Thank you. There is another video, I think that will be my last, 3C on the gender profiling and harassment. 3C.
Mukuru ku ingwendo kuona uliki na tuli America enda ugekana kamurega lakini tuwe kamurega tena kana. Tumekwana boloi. Angwendo mwe Kawira Mwangaza. Utendo ereo ukavatia mwana mwenye ukidata. Tumekwana boloi. Tuenda kuwa kena tutike murega baichu imukuru ku ya mwana nwe. Ya pronto abori agera mono mbele na kayuyu agwa baile agwa bata tenjamba loi kantenjamba kana ko mtoto la obora masiara ndi kueleka na nchoke mbele na Kuberi wewe keda kala hekeda Kawira udire hekeda Kawira kukwekeda no alemera arume Kawira hankwa nyo yekeda hankwa ndenda kenda menya wewe mwekuru wale mwekuru muchoro kwa etawa mwenda no mulungire teke urenga wayo kiamdaka endukisha ndaka siakwa no mwekuru mukuru.
Thank you. The honorable member is making certain remarks about your husband. What is he saying?
He's saying that he has given me 9 months to be pregnant. And if that is not done, you'll do it via what is holding.
Eventually, Honorable Governor, your deputy joined the movement and made similar attacks on you and on your Kolea program. Can we watch KMV4?
tubatethie twete Tharaka County tubatethie twete Embu County tubatethie twete Isiolo County tubatethie tukorea kirundu kia thina kia pubate kia kuewa itukwenda kinya tukweyana hapo sana didi
Ndio governor.
Pubate program kirundu keke pubate program wetu okolea matwe murungu wake tuetera tutetera muntu no tukirunduke anto bembe bekua tuteukenda bekwerwa kirunduke wikireti makiri bagwa tukorea iyo mathina yaba ya
We can stop there. Thank you. Honorable Governor, that is your Deputy Governor.
Yes.
He's making certain remarks about the Okolea program.
Yes.
What is he saying?